Alright, we're over here at the miter saw. I miter the corners at 45 degrees so it gets to a nice perfect 90. Off camera, I put rabbets in the back for the picture, the glass, and the backing. It's 1/4 inch plywood is what I use. It's 3/8 by 3/8 rabbets. I went to go shoot it. Batteries in the camera died, so. Alright, we're going to miter these up and we'll glue it up. Wait for the glue to dry. I'll throw some splines in it, sand it down, put some finish on it, and call it a day. Alright, let's get to it. Picture frame is not measured by the inside of the frame or the outside of the frame. It's actually measured by the inside of the rabbet. I can make 2 or 3 5x7 picture frames out of this. So you measure right here from this point of the rabbet down, either whatever size you're looking to do. In this case, it's going to be a 5x7. They make sleds for these. Unfortunately, I haven't had time to make a sled, so this will have to do. have pieces cut for one picture frame. I'm going to go ahead, cut the rest off camera, a lot of repetitive cutting, and then I'll show you how I glue these up. Alright. ready for glue up. So arrange your pieces in the way you need them to be. And we're going to use some blue tape because we're crazy like that. It actually works fairly well. Stick each corner to the blue tape as parallel or as straight as possible with the following pace. Yeah. And we're just going to spread some glue. I like to use Titebond II. Make sure you get plenty of glue on there. This end grain is just going to suck it right up. Alright, now you just roll it up. Nothing fancy. It's nice and easy. Crazy here. Let's wipe up, squeeze out. Fold it up as neat as possible so everything's nice and flush and square.
You know those playful Oreo moments? Twisting, flicking, and dunking those little round bundles of wonder into an ice-cold glass of milk? Well, take that moment, along with some crunchy Oreo cookie and smooth cream filling, and imagine it in a delicious chocolate candy bar. That's right. We took all of those wonder-filled moments you know and love and put them in a creamy chocolate candy bar. So guess what? This is no ordinary chocolate candy bar. It's an Oreo chocolate candy bar. The Oreo chocolate candy bar. That's wonder-filled.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's opponents on Man vs. Train. At the crossing, we have Rick, a 175-pound frustrated man who's running late for work. And on the tracks, we have Bull, a million-pound freight train that takes a mile to stop. Let's see who comes out on top.
Can't beat a train, so don't try. Stop. Trains can. Brought to you by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration.
Car buyers, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to locate an automotive dealership selling cars, trucks, and vans with zero out-of-pocket, not one dime down. I repeat,
Alright, keep it nice and flat. Put a piece of plywood. Something that's got some weight to it. Alright, I'm going to go glue up the other two.